In this program, what we need to do, we need to read bunch of numbers and then print their total sum, print their average. In order to print average, we need to calculate their total sum. We also need to count how many numbers the users entered. We don't know how many numbers the user is going to enter. All we know is the last number is 0 or a negative number. The first thing that we need to do is to initialize our variables. We need a variable for total sum, and we need a variable for counter. So let's initialize them both. Then we need to read the first number. Now we can enter the loop. As long as the number is positive, we need to keep reading new numbers. That means our loop condition is number less while number is greater than 0. Then inside the loop, we need to add the number that we have read to the total sum variable, and then add 1 to the counter, then read the next number. So total sum, then increment counter, and read the next number. That's basically what happens inside of a loop. So we keep doing this, we keep reading the number, a new number, add it to total sum, count it, increasing the counter, and then read the next number until we see a negative or 0. Once we're done, we can print average. Average is total sum divided by counter. So we just say print and it's total sum divides by counter. Now, let's read some numbers. 23, 56, 6, and then the last number, negative 1. And that's the average. Let's try it again. 4, 6, 2, last number, 0. And that's the average. In reality, we have functions and commands in Python and other programming languages to calculate average for you in just one line of code. Also for total sum, we have commands there. But in this instance, we just want to learn the algorithms behind them and practice them. So that's why we are coding them manually.